Now, Mississippi's Attorney General says she will hold anyone accountable if they threaten law enforcement officers involved in the Nolan Wells investigation. Attorney General Lynn Fitch, in a statement, said, "During an open investigation, it is vital to the cause of justice that everyone respect the integrity of the process. Efforts to intimidate, disrupt, or interfere with the work of our law enforcement and prosecutors and threats to their well-being will be taken seriously, and we will hold those who make them accountable." The Mississippi